Again, one of two patients being treated after a helicopter crash. We'll go ahead and push in on the roof of Keck Hospital, and you'll be able to see this Augusta helicopter on its side rolling over. We don't know if it was in the process of taking off or landing, but we understand the mission was an organ transplant that was being dropped off here at the hospital. You can see LA City Fire on the roof now attempting to contain the situation, which does appear to be static. There is some concern, or was some concern, of fuel leaking from the helicopter, but it appears rather that has been taken care of. Looks like somebody tripped there. Is that the organ, I wonder? I don't know. But you can see a large presence here on the roof of the hospital. A traumatic scene up there, but something that could have obviously ended up being even worse. Of course, we don't know the exact conditions of the patients involved, but that helicopter coming awfully close to the edge of the building there.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel, and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.